Welcome to Hair Care on a Budget, where every strand of hair deserves to shine without breaking the bank. Here, we believe beautiful and healthy hair should be accessible to everyone. My name is Yolanda the Great, and I'm thrilled to share my expert tips and tricks that promise to transform your hair care routine. You don't need expensive products or salon visits to achieve the luscious locks you dream of. Just a little know-how and some budget-friendly alternatives. Imagine now how amazing it feels to run your fingers through soft, nourished hair that bounces with health. On this channel, I will unveil natural remedies and DIY treatments that utilize ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Picture mixing honey and coconut oil to create a moisture-rich hair mask, or using apple cider vinegar as a powerful rinse for added shine. Each video will be packed with practical advice, making it easy for you to incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so that you never miss out on my latest tips. You'll find everything from styling secrets to product reviews, ensuring your hair care journey is both fulfilling and economical. Join me as we embark on this beautiful journey where we combine affordability with fabulous hair. Get ready to embrace your hair's true potential and transform it into a stunning crown of glory, all while staying within your budget. Let's begin this exciting adventure together.